What if dishwashers disappeared?
Oh no, I just bought a new one.
Fiercely, if dishwashers disappeared, people may have to revert back to the age-old practice of manually washing and drying their dishes. Secondly, if dishwashers disappeared, in order to keep their dishes clean, some people may start eating out of their own hands. Thirdly, if dishwashers disappeared, everyone may try to avoid getting dishwashing duties. Fourthly, if dishwashers disappeared, inventor of self-cleaning dishes may become a billionaire overnight. Fifthly, if dishwashers disappeared, sale of disposal dishes may skyrocket. Lastly, if dishwashers disappeared, manufacturers of dishwasher detergent may have to shut their shop. Make sure to like, subscribe, and make a comment if you have a question.